Hi bestie, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, a very warm welcome to you, and I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. My name is Andy and today we are doing acrylic application. So I've already prepped the nails because in today's video we're just focusing on acrylic application. We are doing a one bead method, so we place the bead very close to the cuticle area and then gently pat the bead. You tilt the finger down to make sure that gravity helps you drag the acrylic down, so you don't have to drag it with your brush, and then you continue patting the acrylic until you are happy with your application. And also, if you feel like your brush is sticking to the acrylic, that means your brush is dry, so dip it on your monomer. Don't use too much monomer, use just enough so that your brush doesn't stick to the acrylic. And then I will be adding a very small bead here because the acrylic was ombreing a bit, so I wanted the color to be solid, and then I added a small bead which is on the wet side so that it blends seamlessly with the one that is already there. And also the purpose of using a wet brush is so that your application is smooth. And I hope you'll enjoy watching this video. I'm just gonna let you continue watching, and I hope you will learn something. Thank you so much for watching. Please continue watching the video until the end, and please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.